Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time that I post my video. I was busy enough, but now I am back. Let's start today's video. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing my channel. Unleashing the Beast, exploring the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R stands as the epitome of motorcycle engineering, a testament to power, speed, and technological advancement. As riders straddle this machine, they are immediately immersed in a world of unparalleled performance and adrenaline-pumping excitement. From its thunderous roar to its lightning-fast acceleration, every aspect of the H2R is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja H2R lies a supercharged engine capable of producing a staggering 326 horsepower. This extraordinary power output propels the H2R to speeds previously unimaginable in the world of motorcycles. With each twist of the throttle, riders are catapulted into a realm where speed is king and limits are meant to be surpassed. But power alone does not define the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Its engineering brilliance extends beyond raw horsepower, encompassing aerodynamics, handling, and control. From its carbon fiber fairings to its titanium exhaust system, every component is meticulously crafted to maximize performance while maintaining optimal balance and stability. One of the most striking features of the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is its unmistakable sound. The roar of its engine is a symphony of power, a visceral reminder of the untamed energy that lies beneath the surface. With each rev, the H2R commands attention, leaving an indelible impression on anyone within earshot. As riders unleash the full potential of the H2R on the track, they are greeted with a level of performance that defies expectations. Its acceleration is nothing short of ferocious, propelling riders from a standstill to triple-digit speeds in a matter of seconds. With each gear change, the H2R surges forward with unrelenting force, pushing the limits of physics and human endurance. But speed is only part of the equation. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is also a master of precision and control. Its lightweight chassis and advanced traction control system ensure that every maneuver is executed with the utmost precision, even at blistering speeds. Whether carving through corners or blasting down straightaways, the H2R offers a level of confidence and control that is unmatched in the world of motorcycles. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, and the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is no exception. Its immense power output demands respect and skill from its rider, requiring a delicate balance of throttle control and finesse. For those who dare to unleash its full potential, the H2R offers an experience unlike any other, a thrill ride that pushes the boundaries of human perception and capability. But the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of innovation and ingenuity, a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence. From its cutting-edge technology to its awe-inspiring performance, the H2R represents the pinnacle of motorcycle engineering, a triumph of human achievement in the pursuit of speed and excitement. In the world of motorcycles, legends are born from feats of speed, agility, and daring. And in the pantheon of motorcycle legends, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R stands tall as a beacon of performance and power. It's a machine that defies expectations, challenges conventions, and leaves an indelible mark on all who have the privilege of experiencing its raw power and adrenaline-fueled exhilaration. As riders push the boundaries of speed and performance, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R remains a constant reminder of what's possible when human ingenuity meets technological innovation. It's a machine that transcends mere transportation, offering riders a glimpse into a world where speed is limitless and the thrill of the ride is unparalleled. In conclusion, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R is more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of human achievement, a testament to the indomitable spirit of innovation and exploration. From its thunderous roar to its lightning-fast acceleration, the H2R captivates the imagination and pushes the boundaries of what's possible on two wheels. For those who dare to ride, the H2R offers an experience unlike any other, a journey into the heart of speed, power, and adrenaline-fueled excitement.